ఓయ్ పిల్లలు! అనగనగనగాకి స్వాగతం చెప్పేస్తుంది లలి అక్క. ఎంత మంచిగా మీరందరూ స్టోరీస్ చెప్పారురా పిల్లలు. రోజుకి ఒక స్టోరీని నేను యూట్యూబ్‌లో అప్‌లోడ్ చేస్తాను. ఈరోజు అప్‌లోడ్ చేయబోయే స్టోరీ ఎవరిదో తెలుసా? మన చిట్టి తల్లి శ్రేష్టది. శ్రేష్ట 9 ఇయర్స్ తనకి. కానీ ఒక మంచి స్టోరీని మన ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చింది. ఆ స్టోరీ పేరు రపుంజల్ అనమాట. మరి ఈ శ్రేష్ట నోటితోనే ఆ స్టోరీ ఏంటో వినేద్దామారా పిల్లలు?
Hello guys, this is Shrestha. So today I'm going to tell you a story of Rapunzel. Once upon a time, there lived a couple who were lonely and wanted a child in a small house. In that house there was a small window. One time, the lady went to the window and saw that there was a beautiful garden with so many flowers, herbs and shrubs. She saw a plant named lettuce. From that day she wanted that plant for making soup. She said to her husband that, "Dear husband, I need that plant for making soup." So the husband said, "No, that belongs to a weird witch." So the lady said, "No, but I need it. If I won't eat that, I'll die." So the husband said, "Okay, I will try my best to steal the plant and give it to you." On that night, when the husband went to the wall, he climbed it and he took the plant for her wife and he went. He gave the plant to the lady and they both drank the soup. After a few days, the lady became pregnant and the weird witch came to the house. The husband thought that someone is coming to our house. So he opened the door and witch said, "How dare you stupid boy steal my herbs and plants?" So the husband said, "I'm really sorry. If I won't steal that, my wife will just die because she won't eat from that day." So the witch said, "Okay, if that is the truth, you take as many as you plants you want, but with only one condition. That is, you have to give me your baby after the birth." With the fear, the husband said, "Okay." On the next day, when the baby had born, the weird witch stole the baby and left the poor family there. The poor family was crying. So when the witch saw the baby, she said, "Wow, you are so beautiful. Your name should be Rapunzel. I will take care of you very happily." And from that day, she was taking care of her. And she had trapped her into a small lighthouse which was not having a door, stairs or any entrance, but only a small window which is at the top. So as the days was going far, the Rapunzel became very big girl. And when witch went for a work, when she came back, she was telling that, Rapunzel, let down your hair to me." The Rapunzel was letting down her hair and the witch was climbing down. So one day when the witch went to the world, the prince was hearing some sad songs which Rapunzel was singing. The prince was hearing the songs and going near to the town. When he saw there the house, it was a lighthouse. There was no stairs, nothing except a window. He thought, "How will I go inside?" So for that, he waited the whole night seeing what happens. When the witch came after the work, she saw that. She said, Rapunzel, let down your hair to me." The Rapunzel let down her hair and the witch climbed. The next day, the witch went to the work and the evening, the prince thought, "Oh, even I will say like that." So the prince said, Rapunzel, let down your hair to me." The Rapunzel don't know who is calling, but also she let down her hair. The prince climbed and said, "Wow, I didn't see a lady like this. You are so beautiful. Come with me." "But who are you? I can't come with you. I am prince of a kingdom." Rapunzel said, "Oh, even I wish to come to your kingdom, but the witch won't let me to go out." The prince said, "I will try to say a way for you to go out." The if I let down my hair, you can go, but I can't go. The prince said, I will give you an idea. And the next evening, while the prince was getting down, the witch saw the prince and was telling that, oh, they both are planning, okay, they both have to pay for this. And when the witch went up, she had slapped the Rapunzel and said, how dare you stupid lady had fooled me, and you have to pay for this. So the witch has cut her hair into half, and she has made a magic and sent Rapunzel to a desert. The next evening, when the prince was coming, he said, Rapunzel, let down your hair to me. The witch let down the hair which she has cutted. The prince climbed the hair, and he saw that there was witch. And the witch left the hair, and the prince fell down near the cactus plant. His eyes were bleeding and he became blind. He don't know where his destination was. He was just going far away, and he was very strong and bearing the very bad conditions. And when he finally reached to the desert where the witch has trapped the Rapunzel, the Rapunzel was singing a song. The prince saw that, he was hearing the song that, wow, this voice, I could hear that someone is singing that. So he was going near to that, and he said, is that Rapunzel? And the princess said, yes, it is me. How did you find me? And her 2 tears fell in his eyes, and he became normal. And they both lived happily in their kingdom and gave a birth to a baby who was really like Rapunzel. So, if you like this story, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.
వావ్ శ్రేష్ఠ, నువ్వు చెప్పిన స్టోరీ భలే ఉంది. ఏంటి, రపున్జెల్ కోటగోడ మీద నుంచి జుట్టు కిందేస్తే కోటగోడ మీద నుంచి కోట అంతా పాక్కుంటూ కింద వరకు జుట్టు వచ్చేదా? అమ్మో, అంత పెద్ద జుట్టు ఉండేదన్నమాట. అండ్ నీ స్టోరీ ట్విస్ట్ అండ్ టర్న్స్తో భలే ఉందిరా. అండ్ ఈసారి నీ స్టోరీ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మాత్రం తెలుగులో చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేయి శ్రేష్ఠ, బికాజ్ యువర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వొకాబులరీ ఈజ్ సో గుడ్. సో ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ తెలుగు వొకాబులరీ ఆల్సో. సరేనా శ్రేష్ఠ? మరి నెక్స్ట్ టైం స్టోరీని తెలుగులో వింటాను నీ దగ్గర. పిల్లలు, శ్రేష్ఠ భలే చెప్పింది కదా. మరి ఇంకొక రోజు ఇంకొక బుజ్జాయితో కలుద్దాంరా పిల్లలు అనగనగనగాలో. సీ యూ.